Hello, my name is Haley Windiate, and today I will be demonstrating how inertia works based on Newton's first law. Newton's first law explains that objects in motion tend to stay in motion, while an object at rest tends to stay at rest. And this can be best represented by inertia, mass resisting. I will be attempting the tablecloth trick to prove this law, but before pulling on the cloth, there are some things I should know first. I should know that objects with higher mass, such as this glass of water versus this plastic cup, will have a higher inertia. Because an object has a higher mass, it resists acceleration that much more than an object with lighter mass. I would want to slowly pull on the cloth, for this will give friction enough time to act on the dishes and disrupt their inertias. This friction here can be seen from moving the cloth below the dishes, but on top of the table surface. And what I want to do is pull the cloth out from underneath the dishes very quickly and swiftly in a downward motion. And if these dishes remain stationary after the cloth is gone, this will prove the theories to inertia. So how does this relate back to inertia? The mass resisted the acceleration of my cloth. That's the only way that these objects are still on this table and not on the floor. I was able to pull quickly enough and swiftly enough in a downward motion so that these objects stayed in their original spots. They remained stationary as they intended to remain that way, as we've learned from inertia. Now I would like to discuss the topic of acceleration a little bit more. So if we were able to see the acceleration and the force were not at zero, which happens when I pull the cloth. So once I'm pulling the cloth, the force is no longer at zero, which means that there is some acceleration in these dishes. As we saw when I pulled it, the dishes tended to wobble a little bit. They didn't remain perfectly stationary. This all ties back to the importance of moving the cloth quickly. For the quicker we pull the cloth, the less time the dishes will have to move, showcasing the idea of inertia. Thank you for watching.